Luca playtime. Let's make some pepperoni pizza.
I'm mushroom and I accidentally squirted some. First I will get my pizza base.
Me too. Yeah!
Now let's squirt.
Let's squirt.
Oh.
What is it?
Tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Well, not from Asda.
Look at this, everybody. Wait.
Oh, mine looks like pasta.
Don't put too much on. Don't put too much on.
Okay.
You've got to do the 2 pizzas. Spread it with
Now
a spoon.
let's spread.
Yeah, boy. Spreading. Wow.
Tasty.
Tasty.
Can you help?
Okay.
You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
Guys, do you like how? Is this your? If you want to tell your mum how to or dad how to make pizza
Just tell them to watch this video.
on Sonny Luca playtime.
Do you think that's good?
Let's just spread it around a bit.
And just scoop some up.
Lucas looks good. Yours just needs spreading a bit.
Can you help? Okay.
Nom.
Pass it. Pass it
That's
back.
all,
Pass it back.
Spread.
It's got something on it. There.
It won't come on.
Thanks, Daddy. Thanks, Dad. Sonny! One eye.
Oh, I love this ketchup.
Now let's put the ingredients on.
Wait, I'm not done.
Well, I will start
Yeah.
slapping pepperoni.
So you need a cheese.
Doink. Doink. I'm making a smiley face, you know.
The cheese can be the smile.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want any more. Some cheese.
Tasty.
Oh, this is my side.
Now let me have my cheese.
Mushroom, Sonny.
Is it a cheese mushroom?
Put the mushrooms on first.
Okay. I love mushrooms in my spaghetti and my pizza. Just taste amazing. Oh,
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Lovely. Let's just pinch some. Sonny, you want one?
I don't like pepperoni, but I'll try it.
Let's see some good things.
Usually gets a bit spicy. This
You've
one,
been putting it on your pizza.
my mouth, the pizza's gonna be in my mouth soon, isn't it?
Come on, cheese on, Luca.
I'm making the cheese. Yo, are you watching us? Right now.
Yeah. Keep going. Put your cheese on. Come on, spread it around.
Cheese,
I don't want
cheese,
to. I want to
cheese,
make a
cheese.
smiley face to show everybody how I'm feeling. Happy. Happy. Add some chicken on mine.
Put some chicken on it.
Can you open it for me?
It's open.
This is gonna be a happy birthday night pizza.
For me? You want to try some chicken?
No, I don't want it on mine.
It's like Nan. Nanny get cheese chicken.
No.
Come on, you need more cheese on yours, Luca.
No, I love it.
But it's not a pizza without cheese on it, is
Look
it?
how much cheese I have. Oh, I think that's enough cheese.
Well, when you look inside of it, it'll still look like that on it.
Spread it round.
And then, just because I like my mushrooms, I'll add some more.
Yummy. Sonny, look.
Always remember for the next part, always get an adult.
Yeah. La 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 la.
Unless you're 13 or over.
Or 20.
I mean 16 or over.
Come here, man.
I've actually never tried raw mushroom.
Okay, I think those two are done now. I'm going to put those two down and we'll put them in the oven in a minute. And do the next two.
Yum.
This is actually good. You want mushrooms on yours?
Yeah. Nice. Okay, those two are done. Yeah.
Remember, when you put it in the oven, always get an adult.
Yeah.
Love plain mushroom.
Making
Another 2 pizzas. This time I get the flat one.
Squash it down.
Oh, this is so hard because it's all mushed up.
First starting with the nose.
You always have to do smileys.
Yes. But this time I'm just gonna do
Sad face. Oh, just hate your hands.
Is it?
Doesn't he? But doesn't he hate your hands?
Yeah, that should be enough. That'll be a good spread.
I'll try.
Let me help you, Luca.
No, I'm done.
No, it needs more than that.
Way more.
Let me do it.
I need a bit more. It's not covering it all.
Have this much.
That's good enough on that one.
Cause Sonny.
Is it?
How do you think this is good? How do you think that is good?
Yeah,
Yeah, boy. Pass.
it should be enough.
I want some.
Come on, let's go.
Why is it going up and down, up and down?
Now, I will add some chicken. This isn't going to be my pizza.
This is gonna be my nan's, my happy birthday nan's. Just my nan's birthday.
And he went for one of his friend's birthday as well today.
And then I also got slime.
But he has to throw in the bin.
Can you break the chicken up small for me?
For sure.
Mum wanted chicken, didn't she?
Yeah.
Just, Nan, you want your chicken big or small?
Small.
Tiny, tiny. Tiny. And all of the tiny parts.
Then can we have one big one in the middle?
No, break it up.
Okay.
She wants some cheese.
Don't forget the mushroom, Luca.
What?
Don't forget the mushroom.
Oh,
I want pepperoni on mine.
Okay.
no, Mom, not touch the mushroom.
Mushrooms. Okay.
Do you want the rest of the
Dad, do you want the rest of them?
No,
You want
just
the rest
put enough on to
of
cover the
these?
pizza.
Dad, you want the rest of these?
Yeah, I want some mushrooms, please, yeah.
And the poor ones.
No!
Let Sonny do it.
No!
These are all for now.
Spread it round.
Oh, there's not enough
Let's just
cheese.
spread it round.
Nan doesn't want. That's not enough cheese, isn't it?
that's enough pepperoni. Nan doesn't want
I
pepperoni.
want to eat some. 2 from you. Ooh.
Put your hand in and put cheese on.
Okay. You want good sprinkle cheese. Is this enough cheese for you?
A bit more. Spread it around.
So basically everywhere on your pizza.
Yeah.
Use some there, there, there. The chicken.
Lovely,
Is this enough cheese?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
Okay. What's next?
Oven. Tiny oven! Let's put our pizzas into our oven. Can I?
Oh, don't touch nothing.
Can I?
Put yours on the bottom.
Oh, Dad, I'm scared.
Just put it, push it in. Let go.
Good.
On the bottom, Luca. Very good.
So I have mushroom and cheese pizza. Luca has
Cheese, chicken, pepperoni, and cheese.
Nan has cheese, chicken, mushroom on the pizza, and Dad has mushroom, cheese, chicken, and pepperoni. Now let me cut mine.
Cut it.
I've never cut a pizza. Just go through.
Make your own piece.
Oh, that's not enough, is it?
Show you. Look.
Breaking the pizza.
I cut that part.
Hold it, Sonny. Hold the pizza.
I'll hold the plate.
Hold the pizza.
Oh, Dad, can I cut mine? So make sure there's no mushroom.
You want to try? There's no mushroom. Go on, go for it. Do hard, do hard. That's it, right across.
That's in the middle.
Keep going. I'll finish it off here.
Time to taste. Coconut.
Do yours, Luca.
Oh, I done
No,
it.
let's do it.
Now, no pizza's complete without any sauce. I like ketchup.
I like sweet and sour. If you want mayonnaise or any kind of sauce, you can. First, try it.
Second, dip it in your sauce.
And for
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Mm.